Hey guys, Blazer rep. So we got the Blazer here, dual tips 4-inch on the back. We got Flowmasters on it, Flowmaster Super 10 single into dual out. Show you under here. There's the Flowmaster. You can't really see it, but on the 4.3 liter V6 Flowmaster, give you a good idle here. Nice idle, nice little rumble to her. Give her a rep. I said Super 10s, 4.3 liter V6. Rubbed it a little bit too much, but yeah, that nice idle. There we are. Yep, there you go, guys. 4.3 liter V6 Chevy ZR2 Blazer. She's got 114,181 miles. How nice this thing is. Seat's in good shape. Keeps the thing nice and clean. Don't have to vacuum it out all the time. Just scrubbed it up the other day. So yeah. Here, I'll give you inside. Listen. There you go. She pops too. There you go, guys. Thanks for watching.